Hey, what's up, everyone? Are you tired of the 9 to 5 grind, dreaming of a life with more freedom and financial security? What if I told you there's a way to go from scratch to earning $10,000 a month in just 60 days or less? It might sound too good to be true, but stick with me for a minute. So many people are looking for that perfect online side hustle, and honestly, most of them are overlooking the single most profitable one out there right now. It's a method that lets you generate automated high-ticket commissions of over $1,000 a day. Imagine waking up to that! And here's the best part. You don't need to be a tech genius. I'm going to show you how I'm using simple AI tools to make money with other people's content. All it takes is less than 37 minutes of your day. No, you don't need a huge investment. You don't need to deal with inventory, build complicated websites, or even create your own product. This isn't about risky paid advertising either. This is the Millionaire Partner System. It's a complete step-by-step program designed to take you by the hand and guide you to predictable, monthly profits. We provide 12 weeks of guided coaching, plus our exclusive MPS Superfunnel, along with all the tools and systems you need to succeed. We've seen this work for countless students, helping them build a consistent income and finally achieve the lifestyle they've always wanted. It's perfect for anyone interested in making money online, starting an online business, or diving into internet marketing. If you're ready to stop dreaming and start doing, and you want to learn how you can get started today, click the link in the description below. You'll get access to our exclusive web class where we reveal everything. We'll break down how to generate those $1,000 commissions and leverage AI to build your own profitable online business. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. This is your chance to finally build a life of freedom and financial independence. Click that link in my description to learn the #1 most profitable side hustle that everyone else is missing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more videos.